When we had 8 to 9 day, I just really liked the class, so I wanted to learn. I weld every class period for the most part.
What made me interested in teaching welding was that this is a craft that we are losing people by the hundreds, if not thousands, and I also just love what I do.
I really love it because I know it's going to help me in life and whenever I need it. Be an airplane mechanic. Since August, the first day of school.
I guess the best thing is when people take the initiative and take a raw piece of metal like I do and make a final product.
We just run beads the whole class and build stuff. We practiced for the whole class period. Helped my buddies fix stuff.
People, students, not having the work ethic that I'm used to and not being on time like we used to have to do when I was growing up.
Just making sure everything's right, dimensions are right.
Get the lesson plan and then pretty much let the kids experiment and do what they want to with welding, because the best teacher is experience. Drink a lot of coffee, a lot of sweet tea,